this. Yeah. So in this stream, in this session, I went through, I'm not finished, I'm going through the kidscancode.org tutorial, game tutorials, for version 4.4 of Godot. And it goes pretty well. It's a bit more elaborate and slightly complex game, different implementations of some solutions. And this is how the game looks like. If I run just one scene, there are a few things left to be implemented. I can shoot, left-right animation. If I compare it to the tutorial on the Godot website, to the game scene, this solution shows few new tricks like animating background and different way using the sprite sheets, not separate images for animation, but one file with containing animation frames, and setting up here how it works. It's not, I didn't finish it completely, and it leaves at the end also a few things open, like there is suggestion to add the upgrade system, implement upgrade system, and second wave. Here in this tutorial there is only one wave of and type of enemy, but one can build from here. The different way of implementing here and using is the user input, player input control handling. A different way of doing it, but also in few steps the tutorial assumes, well, in this step, further step in the tutorial, just check the step before and repeat the steps for similar procedures. Like there are some things that repeat, for example, player script, player scene, and enemy. Where is the enemy? I'm not sure why it's not the enemy showing here. Maybe because it appears, it is supposed to appear. So some of the steps are repeated for, let's say, player bullet, the node structure. So it's good exercise to repeat same node patterns, scene structure, node tree structures for different use cases, different game characters. It felt at the moment challenging because some scripts are more elaborate, use new, bring in some new elements for me, like using the tween straight in the code for moving the pattern of enemies. But good thing, for example, is instantiating enemy squad in the main scene. The script for the main scene, here it is. Spawn enemies, like creating an array in few rows here and running an animation for them. Enemy, where would be their animation? Sprite 2D enemy animation player, like here. What is this? This is the explosion, right? 04, and for in the okay, this is animation explode, there's the animation bounce, implementing animation tracks, or actually adding animations and controlling them with animation player, calling in the code. So more elaborate than just the basic, more straightforward tutorial like in the Dodge the Creeps. And I'm near completion of it, so I'll continue as soon as possible, but this is now so far 5 hours. Shout out to Game Dev Doggy over there, coming up on YouTube. If forgive me for if I missed anybody else. I was paying attention to keeping focus on what I'm doing in these types of during these types of stream. I keep focus on the topic, subject at hand, task at hand. I let my attention slip away from the chats. It's been great learning experience. Each session, each day, getting more and more comfortable. Good. Whoever is curious, I suggest give it a shot. It is time consuming, so it might be like expensive in some circumstances, but if it does happen to you that you waste time just browsing online and dreaming of learning new skill, don't waste your time on online just regurgitating infinite feed of new content. Go try learn some interactive tool, interactive skill. I would even suggest avoid AI, because it's the same thing. It's supposed to just waste your time. Try create something original yourself, or at least see why you won't like it. Thanks again. Going to the outro. I'll cut this recapitulation and export it as a standalone video from this full long format VOD. And in the description, in all these recapitulations, I'll put a link to the article on the website where I'll be elaborating and creating notes, drafting and updating the whole this course, because I'll take some time and edit the videos and at least cut the important bits and rewatch them myself and make text notes. I will not try to replicate what is already available online. I'll just try to maybe give my point of view, opinion, and how I've solved things. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Jumping to the outro. Stay safe.